Welcome once again. You are with Dr. Maharajan on a journey of knowledge sharing. So, we are on the mission to now share the knowledge on data visualization concepts, unlocking insights from raw data. We transform raw data into actionable insights as part of visual analysis and storytelling. Before that, let us see what we know so far. We know the importance of data visualization from the previous videos. Understanding the why, because before learning anything or before doing anything, we should understand not just what, we should know the why. Then we should move on to how. So we can recall our discussion on why data visualization is critical in today's data-driven decision making. The world has so much we call big data and analytics and all. Every second, every moment we are creating data. In fact, while making this video itself is a part of creating data. It's a audiovisual, it's a data. So why data visualization is so important? There should not be any doubt on this one. Then from data to action, as I already told you, we are analyzing data for making decisions, actionable insights we call it, because we need to make decisions very fast and we need to make sensible decisions, because when a manager or a leader makes decisions, it affects the lives of so many stakeholders, so many people. So we need to be sensible enough. So data visualization helps us in achieving all this, avoiding misinterpretation. Sometimes numbers mislead us. We may not know but data visualization helps us in identifying the patterns, the what something called reading between the lines. It will be very, very helpful. Now we will move on exactly what we are going to learn in this video. So can you guess the topic through these visuals? Yes. What is data visualization? What are the core principles of data visualization? So what is the definition and purpose? Data visualization is the graphical representation. We use images, we use graphs, we use infographics like line charts, bar charts, and maps, something called geospatial data, and understand the trends, the outliers, and patterns. Then the human element. See, what we are making it for the human to understand. So we need to understand how humans processes data, how humans understand images. So we convert the abstract numbers into something more appealing to the human mind. That is the visualization. And again, if you ask me whether data visualization is art or science, it's both. Like we say, management is both art and science. So data visualization also, we combine the best of both worlds. We combine the scientific techniques with our creativity. That is the beauty of data analytics, data visualization, art and science. Now let us see some real world impact, some case studies, data visualization in action. So in public health monitoring, interactive dashboards, they show how the diseases spread, how the rates are done, how the resource allocation is done, how many doctors, how many nurses, how many health workers, they are allocated to different areas based on the necessities. So public health monitoring is very, very important, mostly using geospatial data, geographic information systems. Now, for financial performance, again, how the stock market trends, it's very, very helpful, especially data analytics and data visualization is helpful in understanding stock market trends and thereby enabling us to choose or invest wisely in the stock market. And a portfolio performance, how our portfolio you must be knowing, it's a collection of our stocks. So how our portfolio is performing and what are the risk assessments. So investors make informed decisions through real-time interactive dashboards. And the climate change also, even how maps show how much climate change the damage has been done, how the Antarctica, how much the ice caps are melted, so how the temperature is rising over the years. So with this, all this we can show by we show easy understandable visualizations. So it's very, very helpful for us to understand the things, and accordingly even the governments, they take action. They make frame policies and rules, laws, and acts based on data visualization also. Now the key components. We have many different data types. We have different visual encodings, like using color, size, and other things. And the chart selection also again important. And the perception and cognition, how the human mind processes all this. So then, now we'll move on to testing our knowledge, how we have, what we have learned so far. Which chart type would be best to visualize the distribution of student grades in class A, B, C, D, whether it is pie chart or this bar graph. So learn by yourself, guess, find out. So summary, clarity is the king. We say data is the king, now clarity is the king. Effective data visualization is very, very priority. Communication is very, very important. We need to understand the hidden lines. You need to understand the hidden data or hidden patterns, we can say. Now the context also matters. Which context, to whom, the audience centric design, and it has to be iterative process. It's not one time processing. Again, we will go back and improvement. So let's make this life, our life, better. Recommended resources, online resources, and books are available, so you can study them to enjoy them. Okay, happy learning. Thank you.